Hello people of this world. Today we are unboxing the Ganni and New Balance collaboration. This box is so freaking shiny and reflective. That's why I'm covering it. I don't want to blind y'all. I'm so excited because they are so cute. I've already worn these out, so please excuse if it's a little bit dirty. I couldn't resist wearing them out. I should have waited to make a video on it, but this is a true review on everything because I've worn these out quite a bit. And for this one, I am storing these still in the box right now. I got this in the colorway 499 silver pink. For this one, it's a US 5 that I purchased, UK 4.5 and European 37.5. So I suggest you make sure you look at the size chart conversion when you're purchasing these shoes online. But let's go ahead and unbox these shoes. I will talk more about sizing and fit later on in the video. I'm so excited. And here are the shoes out of box. I'm just gonna say that I absolutely love this colorway. Look at how gorgeous that is. It's so cute, and the pink is a bit feminine. So if you do like pinks but you want just a pop of pink, I suggest this colorway. I believe the other colorway was a red one, and I just absolutely loved this. When I first saw it, I was like, I need to get that shoe. To be honest, I have been eyeing some New Balances for quite some time. I did get one other New Balance from a thrift store. It was also a collaboration. It was this cool neutral New Balance 550, and it was in brown neutral colorway, and I got that for $65. I feel that it was my lucky day because they were in my size. But look at these beautiful trainers. I think I just really love the colorway on this. For the whole body, you can see that it is in a majority silver grayish colorway, which I absolutely love. The main body is in a mesh material. It does have some vinyl silver that is going all around the shoe in certain areas, and I just love the different tones of silver and grays. So firstly, I am gonna show you all the branding and logo on this shoe because there is quite a bit. There is this New Balance with the pink, the powder pink, and then we have this N in the middle that is gray. That is the outer logo. The inner logo, this one is hollowed out with just an outline of the N. And we also have a shiny silver Lorex label on the top right here that has NB and Ganni right there. On the heel, we also have more Ganni in light pink and another silver Lorex label for New Balance. We have New Balance here, fresh foam. And then on the front inner toe area, we have New Balance Ganni down there. And finally, we have these little charms that are here, and they were already included with the shoe, and it's the Ganni logo and also a small keychain charm which is on both shoes. And if you want to buy your own charm or you have other charms, you can also take them off and then put your own charm that you would like on these shoes, and I think it's just going to be really cute. I absolutely love also these shoelaces. Can you tell that they are double laced in there? So one of the laces is a Lurex shoelace with silver Lurex, and then this one is just a plain gray shoelace. And when you tie it together, it gives a little bit of a shine, a little bit of a twist, and I just love that little shine it gives to the shoe. It's so cute. These shoes are just so comfortable. I think it's because of the fresh foam soles right here. For the midsole, the highest point is 2 inches, so you will get some height. And then in the front, it's about 1 inch. I've worn these and walked in these all day. I've done errands in them, gone shopping in them, done small hikes in them. So I feel that these are the perfect everyday walking shoe. I'm not too sure about running because I'm not really a runner, but these are so comfortable to walk around in. And I'm gonna also be talking about sizing. For reference, I am a US woman size 7, and that's my true to size for Nikes and Converse. Adidas, I am 6.5. So for these ones, I have gotten them in a 5. I imagine that is probably men's sizing. And when I was looking at the chart, I was trying to compare what sizing was going to what European sizing, because European sizing, I kind of can fit from a 37.5 to a 38, and it just depends on the shoes that I wear at the moment. So these ones is a 37.5 for the European sizing. So I just feel that these fit really snug. So if I wear socks with them, they are very snug. I think I could have gotten away with getting a half size bigger, and it would give a little bit more room in the toe box area for me. I think a 5.5, which probably translates to a 7 in US women's sizing, would work for me, but these ones fit me really well still, and I just didn't want to return them. It wasn't enough for me to return them. I think that when I wear these, it feels pretty much perfect. I don't feel uncomfortable. The material is very breathable. It is a stretchy material, so your toes aren't confined. And when I wear them, I just think that they look so cute and that I can match them with anything. Recently, I've been into wearing flared leggings. They are so cute with flared leggings. When I go and wear them to the gym or exercise, I think it's like the perfect match. I can basically match this with anything like jeans, leggings, skirts, you name it. I will wear this as my everyday shoe, and they are so comfortable, and also they don't get very dirty. I noticed that even black, sometimes it can get a bit dusty, but for these gray shoes, pretty much looks clean, right? I wore these, as you can see by the sole, but for overall, it's a really good solid shoe. It's a really good trainer. So if you do want some dad looking shoes with a bit more style, I suggest these shoes from Ganni and the New Balance collaboration. And if you want to check out all the other silhouettes and colorways from the collaboration, I will be linking the official website in the description below. I am not too sure if it is on the New Balance website still. I did purchase these from the Ganni website, and I believe that when I was purchasing them, they did do a restock on these shoes. So hopefully they are still in stock if you still want to get them. Let me know your thoughts on these shoes. Are they a yay or a nay? Would you also want to wear them? When I first saw them out of box, I just fell in love with them, and then I put them on and they were so comfortable. So I approve these shoes. If you do have a shoe that you would like me to check out or review, let me know. I would love to see them, and please leave all of it in the comments down below. I'll be sure to try to get to them as soon as possible and reply to you. So until next time, bye.